So if your WordPress website is loading slower than my brain on Monday morning, you're probably making one of these beginner mistakes. So today I'm breaking down the real reasons of why your WordPress website feels slow and sluggish and how to fix it like a pro. Stick around to the end because I will show you the quickest speed win you can apply today. The first mistake is installing too many plugins. So it might be appealing to add every plugin that looks useful, but too many plugins will weigh your site down because every plugin adds codes. Some load scripts on the pages even when you're not using them. And low quality plugin is equal to performance killer. So fix it by keeping essential plugins only, delete the unused plugins, and use multi-purpose plugins like extra add-ons for your Elementor site instead of 5-6 separate design plugins. It's one plugin with many features and optimized loading. Recommended checks: WordPress plugins directly for quality ratings and plugin changelog to check last update. Number 2, uploading heavy and unoptimized images. So everyone likes images, and yes, they are very vital on your site, but unoptimized images can do more harm than good to your site. So fix it by always compressing and resizing your images before uploading. Tools like TinyPNG or ShortPixel can help a lot. Consider using WebP format for faster loading instead of the PNG or JPG. Number 3, heavy themes. So using a bloated or poorly coded theme can seriously slow down your site. So fix it by picking a lightweight and minimal theme like Astra, WordPress, Expo or Hello theme. And avoid themes that are packed with too many features you don't need. Lightweight themes load faster and perform better. Number 4, using too many widgets plus heavy sections. So Elementor's power is fantastic, but stacking dozen of widgets plus making complex sections can slow your pages. So the fix is, be strategic and use only the widgets you need and turn off the rest. Use extra widgets. They are optimized to load assets only when used. Avoid overloading pages with unnecessary animations, nested columns, or heavy background effects. Number 5, not using any caching plugin, because skipping caching means refusing to free speed. So install a good caching plugin like WP Rocket, W3 Total Cache, or Lightspeed Cache, and enable the page caching, browser caching, and file minification. This alone can cut load time dramatically. Number 6, not enabling a CDN. A CDN spreads your site content across server worldwide, so speeding delivery for visitors everywhere. So use popular CDNs like Cloudflare or Bunny CDN. These integrates well with WordPress and Elementor and make your content load faster no matter wherever your visitors are. Number 7, embedding large and self-hosted videos. So embedding or uploading large videos directly to your server can seriously weigh down your site speed. So fix it by hosting videos on platforms like YouTube, Vimeo, or Wistia and embed them using Expo Elementor's video widget. This keeps your site lighter and faster. Number 8, not updating WordPress, themes, and plugins. Outdated software are slow, buggy, and sometimes insecure. So the fix is, always update your WordPress core, your themes, and your plugins. But of course, backup first. Number 9, cheap and slow hosting. So cheap hosting may save money upfront, but they often causes slow site due to the limited resources and poor optimization. So invest in fast and reliable WordPress hosting. Providers like Hostinger, SiteGround, and Kinsta offers the optimized environment for both the WordPress and Elementor. Look for SSD or NVMe storage, built-in caching, PHP 8+, and good uptime. So there you go, the biggest beginner mistake that slowed down your WordPress website, especially the Elementor website. And fixing even 2 of them can massively improve your load time, and fixing all of them, chef's kiss. So if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and turn the notification on so you don't miss any more helpful videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next.